Good morning, I'm John Newquist, and day 27 of Safety 365. And we're going to talk about the 4 important elements of an OSHA citation. First of all, usually you're going to have a standard that applies, and hopefully they'll choose the right standard. The standard will presume a hazard, but they have to show how long the hazard has existed, and they'll ask employees and yourself, why did the hazard exist? And usually you're going to say, I didn't know it was a violation, or I didn't know the hazard was there at all. But you have to have a reason. They're going to see who's exposed to the hazard. They can only go back 6 months for exposure. So if you had a hazard where you fixed something 9 months ago, it's all good. Probably never going to have a citation because it's over 6 months old. But if you have a machine that's shocking somebody, an unguarded machine, you don't have a list of chemicals for your hazard communication program, these are current violations, and those would be cited. They also must show employer knowledge of the condition, because you're not supposed to be the all-seeing, all-knowing. If a ground prong is missing, it could have happened that morning. But they're going to have to ask you those questions. When was the machine last used? Have you seen this condition? When's the last time you checked your cords? And there's a lot of things they're going through. Remember, always tell the truth. They have to go through it. Many people have a hard time. I always tell employer knowledge. Who's the manager you're going to put on the stand that knows of this condition? And then what was his reaction when you asked him the questions? And that's the most important thing. Let's have a safe day out there and a good week. Thank you very much.